karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my amazfit new smartwatch. So guys, before I open this box, I would like to tell you, like, I paid 13.9 Omani reals for it, which is roughly equivalent to 35 American dollars. So now let us open the box, let us see how the watch looks and feel, and let us check the contents of the box. Okay. Nothing is there. Okay, let us check this first. Okay, so this seems to be the instruction manual, and guys, here is amazfit new smartwatch. Okay, so let us see what else is there. Okay, and it comes with this charging cable. Let us take the cable out. Let us see how the cable looks and feels. Okay, so this comes with this charging cable. I think you fit it the watch like this or something like this. We will figure it out. So now let us take the watch out. Okay, this is a complicated. Okay, so guys, this is amazfit neo. So guys, if you look at this watch, so mine is this olive green color. Okay, so it looks very similar to old Casio digital watches. So it has this kind of retro classic look. Okay, so and guys, this watch is supported by the Zep app for your Android and iPhone devices. Okay, and it comes with the 28 days battery life. This is what the company claims. So when we will wear it, we will know exactly how it performs. Okay, and it offers water resistance up to 5 bars, or you can say 50 meters water resistance. Okay, so you can use it for swimming, and you can use it for showering and all those things. So this watch, it has a heart rate monitor, it has a sleep monitor, and it also has a sports tracking monitor. So by sports tracking monitor, I mean, like, you can track your cycling, running and walking activities using this watch. Okay, and this watch also shows your messages and call notifications. So guys, as I told you, like, my reason to buy this watch was it looks very similar to old classic watches. Okay, like, see, here is my Casio G-Shock. Okay, the retro style. And if you look at this, so if we compare both of them, they look like cousins. Okay, so they look like cousins. So guys, soon I will charge it. Soon I will charge it, or let us see if there is slight battery in it. No. Ah, okay, soon we will charge it and I'll take it outdoors. Okay, so now this is how the display looks after we turn it on. So still I need to do the setup. Okay, so just for your perspective, I'll wear it on my hand and you can see how it looks on the wrist. And while I'm wearing it, I would like to tell you guys, the band on this watch is very comfortable. It is very soft and it is very comfortable. So guys, this is how it looks on my wrist. So guys, this is amazfit new. So soon we'll do a detailed review of it. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, technical reviews and stuff like that. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.